Yes, it's just coming out. Let's go. Time to skim.
Let's go! Yo!
Oh! Oh!
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir!
Oh, no, no, no. I thought you were because I'm barely like. I'm just scared to do it though. I keep getting bad throws. Yeah! Wow!
We're moving the ramp because it's super muddy right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get so much speed right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's literally perfect. I was kind of scared if that was going to be too raspy, but it's just like a speed. Yeah.
You okay?
Let's go. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Same time.
Now I'm going on camera and I'm gonna mess it up.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I will, but we'll do it anyway.
Okay, ready?
Am I even in it?
Yeah.
Am I?
It zooms out a lot. You don't understand.
Okay, ready? You wouldn't understand. Am I in it?
Yeah.
Am I in it?
No.
What?
You're in it. 3.
Wait. Is
Wait,
everybody in?
am I in it?
Yeah, everyone's in it.
3, 2, 1,
I can
go.
see what it sees.
3, 2, 1, go, okay?
I thought we were going. I was like, he's got it.
Just go.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this just in. Tornado in Mesa, Arizona. Kid almost died. Oh yeah, I got you.
Better every time.
Did you get it?
The fake anxiety. That.
Oh, that's the GoPro, by the way.
Dude,
that movie was
that feels so good.
Yeah, we caught the tornado. Just kidding, no, we didn't. We missed it. Welcome back, guys.
Hey guys, I'm Asian because I have a selfie stick. Stop. Right. Do it again for the vlog.
Okay, for the vlog.
Okay. This man's. Oh, what the?
Get him!
Chicken. The cheeks are clapped.
Hey, Rhett.
Look out!
Backflip!
Do flipping S word.
What?
From Fortnite.
Flipping to the...
Hurt.
That's gonna hurt.
I know. Andy, how's the sandbox?
So nice.
Oh! That was sick.
Yes,
Oh.
yes. Awesome.
Hey, Rhett, this is kid-friendly content.
Yeah, you like bent forward. Packing up. Pack it up, boys.
Hacked.
Someone run and get my phone. I'm gonna try Fortnite, bro.
Your mom. What? Yes.
Okay.
I think if we put the camera right here, it'd be good. Dang. That's a pro skimmer right there.
I'm gonna try to jack grab.
He's kind of a pro. I don't know if I want to be that close. Oh, right there? You said right there. I'll do it right here. Okay. Kevin, you're on the thumbnail. Do something sick. Like looking at him, like when he's doing like, you know, like a thumbnail. No, like at him when he's doing it. You know? Yeah. At Ryan when he's jumping. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Hey, you did it.
Sorry, kids, if you're watching this, but
Kevin, I know for a fact you don't party.
hey, I do party.
Kevin?
You want to come over to my house party?
No.
Sick, dude. We're gonna have beer, alcohol.
No. Did I ask? Okay, go.
Get red. Hurry up.
Boy.
I don't have all day.
Hey. Not cool, man.
Kinda cool.
Not really.
I thought it was
Sorry.
Cool. I would smash.
Actually?
Yeah.
He's going. Ladies and gentlemen, this could be it. You could just do that and say like, epic fail. He died. Hospital called. Cops alert.
Hospital call.
911. What's your emergency? You know? I have to do everything.
If you just commit on that, you got it.
That's what everyone says. Oh! Dang! Dude, you need PF flyers.
Oh! Ah! Ah! I almost had it. All right, guys, this try.
Silly goose. I'm not leaving until I get this. Just so y'all know. I ain't no quitter.
No! No!
Ah, not today. It's too slippery.
It's hard as balls, so all the wax just melts off your board. And
Next time. Drift, drift, drift. Uh-oh. Shoot. Oh, that's scary. I swear if he crashes. Got it. Oh. Hey boys, I'm back.
yay!
Woohoo!
Today we're doing a giveaway. All you have to do is guess what I say underwater.
Wait a minute. Definitely did. I haven't done it, bro. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Jacob, just backflip. It's not that hard.
They're literally on
Right. Hey, stop! Stop!
one.
That was nice.
3, 2, 1. Yeah!
What you doing there, Asher?
Can I get the Kurger being Dopper?
Welcome back, guys. We're eating McBurger today.
Get it right. Can I have one?
Hamburger? No. Cheeseburger.
Have a bite of your cup.
Bro. Get out of here.
I mean, that was just good, so you still missing good stuff. Hey.